Bonjour les garçons. So today I would like to discuss with you something called in French le gérondif. Le gérondif. Le gérondif in English it is gerund. It might not ring a bell, but let me show you what it is. It is something you all know and you've all heard about. Le gérondif is simply all these words walk, well, all these verbs, right? To walk, to watch, with ing at the end. Okay, walking, watching. These are called gerund. In French, gérondif. So how are we going to do this in French? How are we going to form the gérondif? It's actually pretty easy. It works like this. Let me just delete. Okay. You will take a verb. I will take the verb regarder. Okay. You will take, let's take another verb, aller, to go. Okay. And let's take RE verb, prendre. Okay. What you will do, you will need to use the vous form in the present tense for each of these verbs. So regarder is pretty easy. Aller is pretty easy. Prendre is a bit different, right? Prendre is irregular. There is no D at the end, right? And you don't need to add the EZ, right? What we are going to do is add the ing form in French, and this is A N T. Okay, and here you have your French gérondif. Regardant, watching, allant, going, prenant, taking, right? Now, there is something you need to keep in mind. Whenever you use this, you will add in front of them en, en. Otherwise, it's incomplete. So the gerund is en with the verb and int, right? I mean ant, sorry. So en regardant would mean while watching. En allant would mean while going. En prenant would mean while taking. Let's take a look at a few examples. So how are we going to use these words? I'm eating, right? Je mange. But I am eating, and at the same time, I am watching TV, right? So, je mange en regardant la télé. Here we are. I eat while watching TV. Je mange en regardant la télé. I can also use it at the beginning of a sentence. Let's pretend that while going to the movies, I met a good friend of mine. Donc, en allant au ciné, right? En allant au ciné, I saw someone. J'ai vu Ashwin. En allant au ciné, j'ai vu Ashwin. While going to the movies, I saw Ashwin on the street or at a restaurant. It doesn't matter, right? So you see how easy it is to use these things, right? The only thing you need to keep in mind is that you must know the vous form in the present tense. If you take a closer look, these two, right? These two sentences, when we use the gérondif, it is used for expressing what we call simultaneity. So when two actions occur at the same time, we can also use it for something different. I'm going to show you. So the first one was la simultanéité, right? When you do something at the same time. La simultanéité, simultaneity in English. The second one, so example, je parle, I talk, and I dance at the same time, right? So en, the verb danser, right? Er verb. The vous form, ez, remove the ez, and I'm going to add my ant at the end. And I have my sentence, I speak while dancing. The second one, I can use it to express cause or the way I do something. La manière. Exemple, tu vas réussir, meaning you will succeed. But how will you succeed? With hard work and commitment, right? With hard work and commitment. So you will succeed if you work hard or by working hard. En travaillant, ENT, en travaillant dur. Tu vas réussir en travaillant dur. You will succeed by working hard. So these are the two things for which we can use the gerund or gérondif for simultaneity, la simultanéité, and la cause, la manière, the cause or the way we do things. I hope the video was clear enough. In class, if there is something you did not understand, feel free to ask me. There is also a second video following this one about the irregular gerund. Please check it out before you do any kind of exercise. Thank you. Au revoir, messieurs.